Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your website name on Squarespace. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. Now once you're on your website, just go ahead and click on this edit button right here at the top left. Alright, once done, hover your mouse into your site title, then edit site header. Click on your site title and hit on the edit button. In here, site title, delete this one. And for example, we're going to change it to made for money. Once done, just click on the blank space outside this box. Once done, just hit on save and it will be saved. After that, you're going to want to hit on exit. All right. Then go to your settings right here. Go to domains and email. Go to domains. If you have your own domain, just go ahead and add it. But for this example, I'm just going to use this built-in domain. I'm going to click on it to change the name right here in the URL box. For example, here I'm going to go ahead and try in made for money. And then just tap on save. And it says here you are about to change your site's primary URL, which is this one. And external links to your site may break. Just hit on confirm. And there you have it. The website's URL has changed as well. That is set to madeformoney.squarespace.com. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.